Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. We're going to show you how to quickly and effectively flush a heater core. A clogged heater core can cause poor heat output and reduce the efficiency of your vehicle's heating system. But worry not, because we've got you covered with this step-by-step guide on how to flush your heater core fast. Let's get started. Gather the necessary tools and materials. Before we begin, let's make sure we have all the tools and materials we need. You'll need the following items. Garden hose with a nozzle attachment. Distilled water or coolant flush solution. Pliers or a wrench if required to disconnect hoses. Safety glasses and gloves. A bucket or container to collect the flushed coolant. Locate the heater core. The heater core is typically located inside the vehicle's dashboard, behind the glove compartment. Refer to your vehicle's manual or do a quick online search to find the exact location for your specific make and model. Prepare the system. First, ensure that your vehicle's engine is turned off and has cooled down. Next, open the hood and locate the heater hoses connected to the firewall. These hoses allow the flow of coolant to and from the heater core. Disconnect hoses. Using pliers or a wrench, carefully loosen and disconnect both heater hoses from the firewall. Be cautious as some coolant may spill out. If necessary, mark the hoses or take a picture to remember their positions for reconnection later. Connect the flushing setup. Take your garden hose with the nozzle attachment and connect it to one of the disconnected heater hoses. Ensure a secure connection to prevent leaks during the flushing process. Flush the heater core. Now it's time to flush the heater core. Turn on the water supply to a low to moderate pressure. This will help dislodge any debris or sediment trapped inside the core. Let the water flow through the core for a few minutes or until the water comes out clear. You may observe rusty or dirty water at first, but as the flushing continues, it should become cleaner. Reverse flush. To ensure thorough cleaning, perform a reverse flush. Disconnect the hose you previously connected and connect it to the other disconnected heater hose. Repeat the flushing process, allowing the water to flow through in the opposite direction. This will help remove any remaining debris. Reconnect the hoses. Once you're satisfied with the flushing, disconnect the garden hose and reconnect the heater hoses back to the firewall. Make sure to tighten the connections properly. Refill the coolant. Now, it's time to refill the coolant. Refer to your vehicle's manual to determine the recommended type and quantity of coolant. Slowly pour the coolant into the coolant reservoir, ensuring you reach the appropriate level. Take your time to avoid any spills. Test the system. Finally, start your vehicle's engine and turn on the heater to check if warm air is being produced. Allow the engine to run for a few minutes to ensure proper circulation of the coolant. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively flush your heater core and restore optimal heating performance to your vehicle. Remember, regular maintenance and flushing can help extend the life of your heating system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful DIY guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.